everyone. You're all having a great day so far. For me, it's the end of the work day. I'm working at home. This is week 2 during the whole COVID-19 pandemic. My kids are home, so it's my after work ride. I want to say this trail is really nice. Packed down, not too mushy yet. That's coming. But for today's ride, I just wanted to talk about what's going on. Pandemic. How we keep ourselves fit. Dealing with stress, working at home. And encouraging people to get out. So, my first week working at home was tough. And I work in communications, so I'm used to technology and video conferencing and all that. But working at home with your kids, it's a new ball game. My oldest is pretty good. She can chat with her friends. She does her own yoga and exercise. She tries to engage her little sister. Her little sister, for the most part, gets into it. When she doesn't, she wants my attention. And when she wants my attention, she wants it now. So, my struggle this past week was trying to get into a rhythm where I could keep her occupied, and she understands that I'm home working, and that when I'm done working, I can do things with her. So this is week 2, and I'm finding this is going way better. She's let me get my work done for the most part, and when I take a break, I try to engage her more and do things with her. Like any other kid, she gets bored and tired with me hanging around, so if I do that, I find she'll let me go and I can go back to work. So this week is much better. Other thing I'm kind of thankful for is that I do have an opportunity to work at home, because I know there are a lot of people who can't, and some have lost their jobs. So, and I have, and in the past when I was young, I have been one of the victims of layoffs and a company folding, so I understand what that's like. I just want to say, hang in there. It's going to get better. Lean on your support. This COVID-19 pandemic and physical isolation can't last forever. Speaking of physical isolation, the benefit I found of working at home is that when I'm off the clock, I can jump on the bike and get out, so I can actually enjoy some of the sun and get my biking done before supper. It's really great. And like I said, today this path is in great shape. So I'm not going to go on territory you haven't seen before. We're in a melt now. It's spring, obviously, and the trails are getting mushy, except for some like this. So I'll just have a little chat, and then we'll do a bit of a ride. All right, let's get up here. Gravel. Awesome. On my right is I left the street cleaner. On my right is the road for the expansion of the ring road. Interesting enough, the very first day they made that trail, that road, I took my bike on it. It was great. There was no one around. The ground was frozen. It was fantastic. Nice ride. I can see the signs and I know where I live. I'm interested in knowing what you folks do. For relaxation during this pandemic. You run, you walk, you ride. I'm assuming most of you ride, let me know. Hey, this guy ran the red light. We got him on camera. Camera. Cool. I'm not caught. Hey, just a reminder, if you like my channel, like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. I like reading comments. Oh, and I want to thank all of you. A few months ago I did a video on my ride, which is this Northrock XC00 Fat Tire bike. I bought just over a year ago. And a few days ago I hit the 1,000 views point, so thank you. That's really encouraging. And some of you left me some really nice comments. I think what's also helped me boost swing by here. Yeah. What's helped me boost my viewership on that video is that I got the bike at Costco. It's manufactured by Giant. Watch my video. Costco came up with the bikes back in 2020 models in February, so I think there's been a lot of interest through YouTube and Google searches, and my video showed up nothing on my right. So thanks everybody. It's more of my other videos, like these ride videos, so these aren't as interesting, I guess, for you guys, but I'm thinking as summer hits and this pandemic's over, I'm gonna be throwing the bikes on the bike rack and heading to some different trails across the city, doing some videos. Alright, gonna do my U-turn. Ooh, this is getting mucky. Everything is melting. Alright. I think I missed it, but on my left there's a pipe line. A new pipes being laid, sorry. So there's a lot of construction activity up here, which is great for jobs, but unfortunately with this pandemic, I don't see a lot of activity. You know, I mentioned I'm a communications professional. We're lucky in Alberta. We have a great chief medical officer of health who does daily briefings, and she's so knowledgeable and poised and calm. She takes a scientific approach to this virus. She's a mother and a family woman, so I think that combination helps her come across as very soothing, knowledgeable, and comforting, and that really is a good persona and message to give to the public right now. And I'd like to give kudos to whoever trained her on communications and media relations. She's done a great job. She's really good. We're lucky here. Days are getting longer. Snow is melting. That's awesome. You're all probably noticing the same thing as me. This time of year, if you've been riding for the winter like I have, you're seeing the rust on the chain, cassette, other parts of the bike. So after each ride I do wipe everything down. If there's no rust on the chain, I leave it, but if I start noticing rust, I'll put some lubricant. And so far so good. A ton of rust. see how the chain holds up over the summer. Oh, actually over spring, I should say. Right. I'm gonna go down the path one more time, just because I like it. I love the crunch. I love the sound of crunching snow on my tires. It's just awesome. Oh yeah. Those of you that ride in winter know what I'm talking about. But as I said, this is a short video. No new territory. Just getting out. Decompression ride. Chat ride. I'm curious to know if you want to leave a comment. Where have you been riding this winter? I'd love to know. And if you're not riding, has the video, some of my videos got you thinking about it? Do some winter fat biking. I lowered the tire pressure at 5 psi. They're gripping really well. Just as a reminder, I'm running Kenda Gigas 26x4. But I was having some difficulties earlier in the year. I had it up at 8 psi. Dropping it to 5 seems to help. Fairly grippy, less sliding. It's been doing well on ice and the snow. You know, yeah, everybody kind of working from home, physically isolating themselves. By the way, I hate the term social isolation. I think we can still be social. Could be a wave to your neighbors if you're outside. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, what have you. YouTube. But I like the term physical isolation better. Social creatures. Anyway, I was saying, physical isolation and working at home. This would normally be major rush hour. And this is nothing. I really wish things got back to normal. The traffic was like this. I don't have my hopes up. Where I am now, you see that mound of dirt to my left. I think not too far from there will be the new lane for the ring road. Not too far from where we live here, or the community anyway. The noise isn't as bad. It's progress, I guess. We knew the noise issue when we moved here. I'm lucky, I'm much further in. And with the sound barrier and sorry neighbors, your houses, you kind of buffer any of this noise for me. Everybody, I hope you're all being safe. You're all safe and sound. Your family's well, you're well. Let's be careful. Let's be good to each other. Get on our bikes once in a while, or walk, stay healthy. All right, everybody, take care of yourselves. Keep on riding, everyone.